Here we are in Vail, and we have this outdoor elevator, modded by ThyssenKrupp.
Vail 21 is a building that's on the elevator shaft. Probably looks like it used to be a Lexington.
You're right, yeah.
I'm gonna look around down here.
Oh, yeah, go for it.
Now it is a Flexen.
Are you sure you don't want to see the ThyssenKrupp elevator?
The ThyssenKrupp Otis. Look at the inside.
It's so thrilling. Why? How could you want to do anything else? Oh, the lights are off. Oh, they're not. They're just dim. Yeah, this was definitely an Otis.
Texture. I'll go back.
Yeah, it's kind of like, no, I was gonna say it's.
You crumple tinfoil.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See you in a minute.
Oh boy, that's dark.
Yeah.
There we go.
Cool. Thank you.
Traction?
Hydro.
It does not sound like a hydro.
Hydro. It feels like one. Let's get a view for a sec. Hot tub? There's a hot tub somewhere. Let's see down here. Ooh. Oh no, my phone just got dripped on. I didn't want it to stop the video. Here, hit the button so it doesn't leave. That is a pretty view. There's a gondola.
You can kind of see up into the shaft. A little bit, yeah. Probably.
I think that's the motor room right there. No, maybe not. I think that's for the hot tub, actually. Oh, wait, I already got my cat view. It's funny. The elevators at, like, all the places in these mountain towns, they always, like, go to, like, weird floors. Like, this one goes to 2 through 6.
Yeah, it's just because of the way the building's designed. I wonder if we could find one that goes to 1 through 6.
Yeah, right?
Should we go back up and just walk down the hall and see if there is one?
We could probably find one on the 2nd floor.
Maybe. 2nd floor is more of a retail floor.
It's okay. I mean, we should walk around and just see everything.
These are weirdly quiet.
They are. So it's... How's it going? There it is. And there it goes. And that's it.